You're the one hijacking. I hate this episode. This is gonna be the worst episode.
Ready to go?
No, you're not flying me to
We'll
Puerto
make it
Rico.
down the coast in 17 hours.
You're not flying me to Puerto Rico.
Why don't you want to go to Puerto Rico? I want to go to Puerto Rico. You know it. There are at least 3 reasons I want to go to Puerto Rico.
I know, I can think of many. But I'd rather go on the airlines.
Why?
So I know I'm gonna get there.
What do you mean you know you're going to get
I'm
there?
not spending 17 hours.
Can you actually get your $500 back? Because
Sure.
for $500, I will fly you to Puerto Rico. It's not really optional.
You can take the $500 and shove it in.
Alpine Air Park, automated weather observation.
I'm not betting my money on this girl.
1738 Zulu. Wind 010 at 4 knots. Visibility more than 1.
Still haven't given it like a decent reason. What? You still haven't really given a reason.
Because I can't be late. Why don't you just want to go to Puerto Rico? It'd be so much more fun. I would have if we were gonna leave like 2 days ago.
Well, the weather's like perfect.
I'm not No, dude. Have you seen Dallas? Dallas is getting its ass kicked.
Yeah, we'll have the next ride in a minute.
Yeah, it's perfect because there's no weather.
Oh, look at that. We go straight through that. There's nothing there. Look at that. Right north of that, just straight across. Because we're gonna probably stop in North Carolina. So just picture
Oh, why
that.
are we stopping in North Carolina?
I don't know yet.
Oh. Oh, okay.
Got lots of friends in North Carolina.
Like who?
Like my buddy Michael.
Oh.
So yeah, I woke up this morning. We were gonna go get breakfast, drop him off at Jackson. That kind of didn't work out. No. Alpine traffic, Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop is back taxiing 31 Alpine. And so we weren't gonna have time to get him to Jackson and go to breakfast. So to solve both of those problems, we're just gonna take him to Puerto Rico because that's where he's got to be by tomorrow. So yeah, so we're gonna blast off to Centennial in Denver, get brunch there, and then I gotta take a quick meeting, and we'll head out to North Carolina tonight, down to Puerto Rico in the morning.
Sounds like a great plan, Matt.
I think so. So do they pay for the ticket directly, or do you pay for it and they reimburse you?
They pay for it.
Okay. So can you like cancel it and get their money back, and then just tell them to pay me $500 for your charter flight to Puerto Rico?
Definitely not.
Why not?
It's not how it works.
Alpine traffic, Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop is departing runway 31 Alpine. Okay, wind's basically calm, everything's looking good. Okay, we got 60 knots, 1,000 feet down the runway, plus the displays threshold. And Denver, Puerto Rico, here we come.
So my friends hijack me and don't let me go to work. Turn around, go to Jackson Hole.
Let's see what she says.
No, I don't give a she says.
Why don't you
I
want
have
to
to
just
get
fly
to
Puerto
work.
Rico? Yeah, we're getting you to work.
No, you're not.
Better way to get you to work.
My work starts at Jackson Hole.
She wants to go to Puerto Rico tomorrow, and if she can swing it, we'll go. Otherwise, we'll go to Jackson. Deal?
No.
It's like rock paper scissors,
I'm
but
not
not.
betting my money on this girl. I hate this episode. This is gonna be the worst episode.
It's gonna be called "Might Need a New Best Friend."
Yeah, I need new friends.
How can we alleviate your concerns?
Yeah.
Can alleviate my concerns by taking me to Jackson so I can catch my flight.
Let's say that that's not an option.
Says who?
So that's the guy flying the plane. So basically, she's got about a half hour to get back to me in order to get you to Jackson by 1 if we decide not to go to Puerto Rico.
I thought we were going to eat, man.
Well, we're going to eat, and then we're going to Puerto Rico. I mean, there's no way we can go to Denver for... See, it's not even 17 hours. We're looking at like under 16 hours now. Got a nice little 9-knot tailwind. Gonna blow us all the way. She said until when? I think we're gonna do this.
No, we're not going to do this. You're going to get me to Jackson Hole so I can get to my
Caution.
flight.
Terrain.
Yeah, thanks for putting in GPS steering. And now we just go direct.
Dude, I'm hungry, man. What am I going to eat? I'm not going to have time to eat.
It's about the journey, Owen, not the
Fucking charger
destination.
No, it's about me getting to work on time and getting my rest so I can fly through the night across the ocean.
Yeah, plenty of rest. Are they actually gonna care if you get there like a different way than the flight they bought you?
Yeah, they will. Get fired.
So yeah, I mean, I think like I'm looking at this all these different ways, and I'm just thinking there's really no way that it doesn't make sense for us to just fly to.
I can think
Puerto
of a
Rico
million
right now.
reasons it doesn't make sense to fly to Puerto Rico.
Okay, give me a couple. Hit me.
We break down.
We're not gonna break down. This thing is a tank. It's
Your
a
fuel cap
Beechcraft, bro.
comes off. You don't tighten your fuel cap and it blows open.
Yeah, then we land, we fix it, and we take off again.
Your alternator goes out.
We got a second one.
Your standby goes out.
We got a battery. Dude, this thing's purring like a kitten. Watch this. We're gonna run Lena Peak.
My God. Watch this. We're gonna go direct Jackson Hole.
Hold on. No.
The worst episode on all of Matt Guthmiller's channel. Nobody watch it. Do not suffer with me. So my friends hijack me and don't let me go to work.
So we take him to Puerto Rico against his will, or fly him to Jackson so that he can go to Puerto Rico?
What time is your flight, Owen? 1:30?
Yes. Why does Kevin get to have this? Why don't I get them saying it?
Because we already know your answer. But this is
So why is the decision up to Kevin?
it's a democracy. I've made my decision.
I know you've made your
Kevin's
decision.
the
Your
impartial
decision
third
is
party.
based-
Okay. I think if there is a mutual benefit for Owen to be a part of the vlog and fly all the way to Puerto Rico in your airplane, then it's worth it. But if Owen's not going to get out of this, then we should go back to Jackson.
Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of possibilities here. It's because one, it's gonna be more fun. You can stop in some interesting places along the way, and
I think there's a lot of possibilities for this to me over.
I don't think there is. Like, I've never broken down on a trip before.
Well, my luck, this will be the first.
1,700 hours flying this airplane. I've never had a mechanical issue. Like, never flew this thing around the world, around the Caribbean. We've flown it everywhere. On none of those trips have we ever, except for that one time with JP when the alternators all quit. But
Yeah, and that's gonna happen today.
okay. So if she's out, I'm gonna.
Bummer. Let's go to Jackson.
Damn it.
And the Bonanza is starting to make its U-turn towards Jackson. Owen,
Yo.
now that we're heading back to Jackson, how do you feel?
We're not there yet. I'll feel good once I'm on my flight to Puerto Rico.
Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop, midfield left downwind 19.
Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop, runway 19, clear land.
19 clear land, Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop.
Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop, you can make short approach long landing if you'd like.
7 Hotel Pop. A couple little drops of rain. Let's see, do we want the far turn off or the next one? Probably just the end, right?
Yeah.
There's your flight.
There's your plane.
My ride to Puerto Rico.
Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop, turn left at Alpha 1 and contact ground on 124.55.
Left Alpha 1, 2455, 7 Hotel Pop.
Okay, Owen, now how do you feel?
A little better. We're making progress. We're not on the plane yet.
This ticket. Is that how this works?
Honestly, just drive around. Press the button for assistance.
Okay, give me like 5 minutes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Alright, see you guys.
Okay, well. Sorry.
No worries. Thank you. I guess this rolled down. Need a lift?
Enjoy your pizza.
Do you wanna ride?
No.
No? Okay, we're gonna go get some pizza. Have fun in Puerto Rico and Africa.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Jackson Ground, Bonanza 367 Hotel Papa, ready to taxi at the FBO.
Bonanza 367 Hotel Papa, runway 19, taxi via Alpha, information Romeo current, altimeter 3013.
Okay, we have Romeo, we'll taxi 19 via Alpha at Bonanza 7 Hotel Papa. Tower Bonanza 367 Hotel Papa is ready to go 19 VFR to the south.
Bonanza 367 Hotel Papa, Jackson Hold Tower, keep it rolling, runway 19, clear for takeoff.
19 clear for takeoff, Bonanza 367 Hotel Papa.
And citation for Alpha Golf to be a Bonanza departing prior to your arrival. Roger that, protocol.
Owen said someone's late for their meeting.
Bonanza 7 Hotel Papa, did you want any flight following today and where are you headed?
7 Hotel Papa negative, we're just headed over to Alpine.
Okay, sounds good.
We would like to thank you for flying Guthmiller Aviation. Today's onboard meal is Dornan's Pizza. We're going to start with moose bread.
Oh yeah. So we got Owen dropped off. He's not going to miss his flight. I'm going to be a few minutes late to my meeting at 1:30. But we got some pizza. We're going to enjoy. Definitely quite a bit of stuff building over there on the other side of Alpine. We're just kind of going around that corner up there, yeah. And it looks like we're going to stay clear of all the weather by doing that. Just barely. Alpine traffic, Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop is 10 to the east, going to be straight in runway 31 Alpine. Getting a little rain.
Caution. Terrain. Terrain.
Alpine traffic, Bonanza 7 Hotel Pop is about a 2-mile right base, runway 31 Alpine. Was that lightning? Did you see a little flash? I don't know. I just kind of noticed a flash of light.
Might have been a glare.
Okay, we got 3 green. Mixture's good. Props coming in. Okay, well, we got Owen dropped off. We made it back here. I am 10 minutes late to my meeting. Should have just gone to Puerto Rico.